Now, one of the most commonly make Facebook ads mistakes is overreaching, which gonna cause a lot of problems such as budget-based ad fatigue, and it's gonna hurt your brand. So watch this case study to learn how to avoid this problem.
Okay. Now, when it comes
Okay.
to T2 ad, you want to actually have a very unified retargeting so-called duration. Like just now when we are actually excluding, we exclude for the longest, like 30 days, 60 days. But when we are doing retargeting, we don't want to follow them for too long. You see, like, let me give you this example, like engage and send message to your page in 90 days, for example.
Yep.
That actually means that whoever who have sent message to you in the last 3 months will keep seeing this ad as long as you keep running this ad. If you look at the whole thing, it's quite painful though. I won't be able to get out from this ad, you see. That would actually cause budget waste. You see, because you are overreaching, we call this overreaching, which other than budget waste, you might also create ad fatigue, which you will get people to hate your brand instead.